Guys, we are in the middle of a snowstorm. Whoa, call me crazy, but we are going to We're going to be opening up some products today that's supposed to make our lives easier. Whether you are in a cold climate or in a hot climate, in January, indoor gardening is the perfect time to start your gardening. So I got this product from Vego Garden, and it's an easy leafy planter. We're opening this up in real time. Okay, guys, take a look at this. Now that I've unboxed it, I'm gonna give you a closer look. This is Vego Garden's leafy green planter. And the best part about it, it's self-watering planter. And that's what I need. I need something that is going to be easy, set it and forget it. What I like about it is that it has this ventilation system right here, and it's shaped like a leaf. This will grow a lot of veggies and fruits and even flowers. You can see how easy it is to clean. You just remove these slates and that's it. Now it says the outside of this acts as a reservoir, and these are like somewhat of water capillaries where you fill in the soil and the water seeps up through these little holes right here. This dome is supposed to control humidity, and I can tell you it's very strong plastic. The corners are not bending, so it has reinforced corners, which I like. This is where the grow lights sit, so we're gonna install that later on. When starting your seeds indoors, you don't wanna use garden soil. The reason why I got this particular brand is because it has cocoa coir for enhanced moisture retention and great for herbs, veggies, fruits, and vegetables. This is the first time I'm using this brand. And guys, I'm finding some pretty big pieces in here. Let me know what your experience has been with back to roots. So we got the container filled, and I'm assuming that it's okay. What would make this pot better if it had some type of line in it? So, you know, Vego, think about that. So what we're going to do is now add some of the greens, and I got this leafy green seed starting kit. Comes with all the greens that you would need. Butter crunch lettuce. We have standard arugula, Bloomsdale spinach, salad bowl blend lettuce. We got little gem lettuce. We got Vego Garden's little Shanghai bok choy. Yes. And we have the mustard seeds. Remember not to bury your seeds too deep, just lightly cover it over. Here's the fun part. This is where you pour in your water because, again, remember, this is a self-watering planter, which means it's going to be easier and you don't have to always worry about whether you have water inside. So we're going to fill it all the way up, and this is the water meter. So they say right now this is on red, and once it gets to green, that one right there, that's when it's full. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna fill this up with water because we already have our seeds. Okay, and it's slowly moving. You can see it's slowly moving right now. Right there, it's slowly moving. Okay, perfect. It's slightly over full, but that's okay. I got a grow light, and the thing about it is, this particular grow light, which fits in very nicely like this. If you have like a counter or countertop and you have, ooh, see how bright it is? It's perfect, it's very bright. But if you have a countertop, there's a magnetic, this is magnetic, so you can put it like this and hold it like this, and you can have it under your countertop. So we're now going to go on to the Vego Garden herb planter. You can see it's a lot smaller than this one, very small. And it comes with these little these little legs, which I think is really cute. and it's a lot smaller. This was very, very easy to put together. My husband put it together in like less than 5 minutes. And it also came with a screwdriver. Thank you very much, Vego Garden. Thank you very much. It came with a screwdriver to screw both of these legs on. So I'm really happy about that. So we're now going to move this out of the way. And now we are going to get to our herb planter. I'm using Miracle Grow for the self-watering herb planter. I like it much better than the Back to the Roots. The Miracle Grow potting soil looks less coarse and it doesn't have clumps. What makes this cool is that it has a built-in trellis, and again, it's a self-watering herb garden. So we are going to use this Burpee Italian herb garden mix, and I got this from Home Depot. I've had this for about a year, so hopefully it's still good. But look at the price. This was $4.99, and I went to Home Depot today, and it's now $5.29. So you just want to sprinkle the seeds on the top. You don't want to bury them. So we got parsley. I see 2 or 3. I like to put in more seeds than I need because then I know it's going to grow. So we have parsley, oregano, and now we're going to fill it up. It's increasing very slowly. Yep, it just popped up. You saw that? Just popped up. If the potting soil looks dry, I give it a quick mist. Perfect. And this is not the grow light for it because again, Vego Garden does offer a grow stand, but we don't have a grow stand. We have another light. And what we're gonna do is put the light over it just like this. Nope, it doesn't fit. Yes, it does. Here it is, guys. Here is the self-watering easy leafy planter and the herb planter with a trellis. Look at outside. So inside, nice and cozy, growing my seeds on my windowsill, and outside there's a vicious snowstorm. This was my honest review. The self-watering planters are aesthetically beautiful. They are well built and they're great for people who don't want to deal with the snow and bitter cold temperatures outside. The planters come in different colors. They come in white, sage green, and gray. In my opinion, what would make this product off the charts if Vego had reference lines inside the planters so that we would know how much potting soil is needed. Also, I would have loved if it came with some plastic seed labels. I had to scrounge around to find some of mine. But overall, I'm completely stoked. This is the earliest, and I mean earliest, I ever started my indoor seeds. Before, I would wait until late March or early April because I didn't want to deal with the whole seed starting process and having to deal with regular watering. Since it's a self-watering pot, it takes the guesswork out of how much I need to water and if my seeds are getting enough light. I've included a QR code for both planters. Open up the photo section of your phone, hold it over the QR code on your screen, and it will take you directly to the self-watering planters. If you are interested in learning more about either of these products, I have a special bonus for you in the description. You can go check it out. So I'm going to wait and hopefully my seeds will grow. The fact that I have both grow lights, that will help. I like the fact that this does have a trellis, so it will help with your herbs from falling over. I like the fact that both of them are self-watering, so I don't have to constantly baby them. So again, if you got any good information from this video, do me a favor and hit that sub button. Until next time, guys, happy gardening, stay rooted. Bye-bye.